Brian back here with a look at Myro. One thing that is absolutely massive here, this area is held that we talked about down here. Okay, and it's going sideways in here, consolidating, whatever you want to call it, but right in this range, we could actually pull this down just a hair because it has not broke out of this level down here. Right, just bumping back and forth here on the daily, between 7 cents down to roughly 6 cents, right between 6 and 7 cents here. We've been bouncing. So we'll come back here and take a look at this chart, see if this is going to hold or possibly break down, and see what else is going on with the market here. Let's run over to and take a look at a couple things over here. USDT dominance. All right, this thing has been obviously rising up here, which that's not what you want to see. That means people are selling, going into stable coins. Hopefully this thing is, bouncing to the downside. We hope. 3, 4. This thing, has hopefully came up as high as it's going to go and roll over. I'd like to see a 4 and a 5 on this thing, but that is all going to be up to Bitcoin. All right, whatever Bitcoin decides to do, obviously the rest of the market is going to do that. Bitcoin has bounced and held a major area. All right, took a long on this thing yesterday. Put this out in Discord to everybody. Let's zoom in here and take a look here. If we go out on let's go on the daily chart here. All right, get this off here. This thing pulled right back, right where you want to see it bounce. Okay, that's everybody was watching this yesterday. I seen that over on Twitter. Everybody had their eyes on this thing. Take a Fibonacci, go from your swing low to your swing high. Right here, back up to the top, and you can see this thing pulled right down to that 702, right down here, and has held. All right, pretty crucial. This thing holds here. We don't want to see it break down any further. If it does, the next area down there, 52.3. Is down at that 786, then you're heading down towards that $49,000 level. If we lose this could be up just a hair. Let's move this up just a tad. Right about there. Okay, there we go. That's perfect. Came down and nailed that 786. Now on a daily, the RSI is just about reset and heading to the upside. All right, if we come over here, the 12-hour looks good. The 8-hour looks good. I checked these out earlier. Right here we got the 12 bouncing back up towards the top. So you want to see this hold, guys. Very, very, very crucial. If not, if it loses, like I said, if it loses that 786, 49,000 would be the next target, down from 52 and a half roughly. That's at 786. So need to see a bounce here. Seen a lot of things hold that level. Yesterday, in fact, the altcoins, Bitcoin was down 5%. Most of the altcoins were only down 2%, 3%, which is very, very odd. That means these things are holding steady, which is a very, very good sign. If Bitcoin is down 5%, normally these things are going to be down 10, 15%, just plummeting. The fear and greed index, look at this, down to a 23. All right, extreme fear in the market. A lot of stuff going on out there, with the Dow Jones. It's been getting crushed every day. The S&P 500. So we need to see a turnaround. I mean, these things are all in key levels right now. It's either the crash and burn, or this market's going to bounce, and things are going to, they're going to be good, one or the other. I mean, extreme. I seen an article that 200 and some wallets in the last month that for Bitcoin hold over 100 Bitcoin, which is a 17-month high. There was over 200 wallets that added to reach over 100 Bitcoin. So that's pretty bullish to see. You definitely want to see that. That's good news. Usually, extreme fear. I've been doing crypto, I don't know, going on 5 years now. Usually seems to be a good area to buy, where people want to sell and panic and get out. So it's good to see the big whales buying at them areas. Now, Myro on the daily, we got the RSI Still heading to the upside here. All right, the very key area here we're going to take a look at that this thing needs to break through. The 3 days heading to the upside, and you got your 5-day also heading to the upside. All right, so the RSIs look good. You can see it right from here. I mean, obviously consolidating in this area, we need to take out 7 cents. That is a massive thing. All right, and hold 6. You can see here, this 7 cents, this yellow line, has been a major since 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Last 10 days, we've been held right in this range. Okay, so a break of 7 would be a huge start for this thing. Definitely want to see that. Okay, like I said, the daily's heading up. We got the what's 12 hour. The 12 hour is still bullish, almost right at the top. There you got your 8 hour turning up. All right, need to see a break. That 7 cents is huge. Okay, and I'm sure you have a lot of people out there, not huge moves, but every time, these good little trade here. If you're going high leverage, top, short it, bottom, long it, top, short it. Bottom, long it, right back up to the top here. Pretty big time right here. I'd like to see that 7 cents break. Then we can talk about higher targets. So keep an eye on that, guys. I will be back to you very soon. Please hit that like and subscribe. Consider signing up for a level 3 membership, man. You get over 10 hours of videos to teach you how to start charting, and a link to the Discord to come trade with us. So please check that out. Consider it. It helps the channel a lot. Thank you so much, guys. I will talk to you very soon. Have a great day, everybody.